Hi folks, Wiley here. I have just returned from Backwater Books and I have dropped off 9+ new drawings. This is a ink drawing of the Phoenix restaurant from about 20 years ago. This is a hand-colored print of Syriana Restaurant, formerly the Ellicott's Country Store. This is a ink drawing of the B&O Train Station Museum. This is a drawing of the old Clark's hardware store. It's an illustration from one of my books. It's called Waiting for the Bus. This is the Clarksons. This is called the Clarksons. This is a hand-colored print from where I used to play a great deal as a child on Mulligan's Hill. This is just a made-up, crazy, purple, birch, woodsy scene, out of my imagination. This is a ink drawing of Tiber Alley, which is largely changed, mostly gone now. And this is yet another made-up drawing, colored pencil drawing, and it's a bunch of sunflowers once again, just making things up. And again, another imaginary scene. This is called Desert Dusk. As usual, thank you all for watching, and stop in to Backwater Books to see these for real. Thank you. Bye.